Hello mates, Oliver Wilde here with the Nature Channel. Today we'll be exploring Clover, South Carolina's Sahara. With me mate, Locklin James. Locklin, get over here, quit siphoning your python.
I'm sorry mate, he was hungry. Now this is Clover, home of many dangerous species.
The green-gated Gibson, yellow-biked Johnson, all very dangerous for foreigners like us.
Now we've spotted a pack of wild teenagers.
Very dangerous, their emotions and hormones are bundled up like cobras in a basket.
We're gonna go poke them.
With a stick.
Get him.
He's angry! He's angry! We've stumbled upon a leaping gecko. Very dangerous, very venomous. Only professionals like us may deal with these. Today, we're gonna poke it with a stick. He's angry! He's angry! He's angry!
I got him!
Jimmy gave me a bit of tussle, mate.
Oh boy, he did.
Clover's home to many species like Jimmy here.
But we're in search of a specific one today, known as the Burmese diamondback rock.
Rare like a brewski in the Sahara.
Dangerous like a Ruis and boxing gloves. There have been many reports of the Burmese diamondback rock in this area.
Destroying farmers' crop, even taking their livestock.
There have even been reports of missing children.
Very dangerous species. While venturing through the woods, I stumbled upon a local farmer, Musan. I asked if he had any encounters with the rare diamondback. Sir, Oliver Wilde here with the Nature Channel. Hey! He was a bit startled at first, but then he seemed very eager to appear on television. Alright, farmer, Hassad Hussam. Have you had any Musan. Have you had any encounters with the diamondback rock?
Yes, it left me with one goat. Her name is Rajim.
So you're saying it's wiped out your entire herd?
My entire herd, yes.
The diamondback is a very aggressive species known for wiping out cattle by the hundreds. There isn't much you can do to defend against one. That's why they hire professionals like us. Very aggressive.
But I bought new goats. Yes. So you said we're being filmed, right?
Yes, sir.
Hi, mother.
As evening approached, Oliver and I began our trek into the wild in search of the dangerous diamondback rock.
Sweet bitty crumpet! Diamondback tracks.
We knew we had to be on high alert. Diamondbacks were in the area. Oh. That's a diamondback deuce. 12 years old, male, aggressive, probably protecting some young. Local farmers have said they spotted the rare diamondback in these treacherous terrains known as the Spiky Road Mountains.
The trek won't be easy, but we'll do whatever it takes to spot the diamondback rock.
Now this is a jump, Oliver.
Sure is, mate.
Probably should spot the wind first. Slightly northwest. Come on, mate.
Come on, mate. Get over here. What are you doing? Hey. Ollie. Ollie. No.
It's angry!
I'm coming, mate! You alright, mate?
I don't know, mate. I'm not sure if I can pull through. It's a bloody mess.
Come on, mate. You gotta pull through, Oliver. Mate, you're fine. That's just a scratch.
That was a close one, mate. We're gonna relocate this little bugger to a more suitable habitat, far away from human civilization.
You can find us next time on the Nature Channel where we'll be exploring
The Wilde Maya.